I'm back. I don't know what platform this is on, but today we are doing what I gotta do, and that is changing the radiator hoses on my E36 M3 project. This is where we're at. So the car has to be done in about 10 to 12 days, kind of running behind schedule, but it is what it is. We got busy, which is a good thing. The front end is off. You don't need to do that in order to change these hoses, but I took it off because I had to respray them and prep them and all that anyway. So the front end is off. You can see the fan here. That works, which is great, but the hoses behind the radiator, not so great. Let me show you why. So top end view of the E36, for those of you that don't know, this is a radiator. I removed the front cowl that goes over here, as well as the duct that goes above the alternator, and these are the hoses that attach to the radiator. This is what we're changing. As you can see, very soft, squishy, coolant debris everywhere, no good. This is the upper hose. It goes down through the middle over here, and it comes down to the bottom over here on the bottom of the radiator. That's right, BMW's radiator hoses on the E36 M3s are known to go bad. Mine are obviously ripped. They're super soft like a set of big marshmallows. And so today we're going to change them, thanks to FCP Euro, who have so kindly provided me with Mishimoto's radiator hose replacement kit for the E36 M3. The materials are so much better. You got silicone, nylon insides. It's going to hold temperature better. They're going to last a whole lot longer, and overall they're just much better than BMW's OE radiator hoses. Okay, so first things first, we're going to drain it from this drain plug right here. Obviously, my original drain plug is no longer here. This is something different, so I'm going to use a flathead to get it off, and there's a good chance that antifreeze goes all over me, but let's try it out. Oh, all right. Okay, now that the radiator no longer holds any antifreeze and it's all over me, we are good to go. I'm going to plug it back up, and let's transfer out the hoses. Twist it, pull it.
Secondary question. No Diddy.
Alright. And there's that one. Here's the clamp. And the hose should come right out. Here we go. Here's a quick side-by-side, old BMW hose, Mishimoto hose. As you can see, the BMW hose lost its figure. It's very soft. It looks like it could very easily rip, which it has. The Mishimoto one has this nylon inner, so it's going to keep its figure for longer. It's going to control temperature better, and that's why you want to upgrade with the Mishimoto hoses available at FCP Euro. All right, so radiator hose swap is completed thanks to FCP Euro and the Mishimoto replacement hoses. I'm just gonna top the E36 off with some coolant and button everything up. But before I do that, I'm gonna take some water, take a towel, try to clean up the engine bay from all the coolant that's sprayed. I'm gonna start the car up and hopefully it gets up to temperature. Let's do it. That's a wrap on the radiator hose swap from Mishimoto, from FCP Euro on my E36 M3 build project. We have about 11 days before this car has to be completed, and we still have to do filters, sound system, headliner, remove the roll cage, trim pieces, you name it. Make sure you stay tuned if you want to see this build in real time. My socials, Whistle Motors, Instagram, TikTok, and obviously YouTube. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Big Whistle.